Hi guys, thanks for joining me today. I'm working with soft pastel and I'm gonna make a very simple and easy landscape drawing of sunset. So this video will gives you an idea how to draw a landscape with soft pastel. Also I will make a portrait with soft pastel very soon. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, then please go guys and subscribe for more exciting updates. So I'm starting with blue and violet. As you know, the sky of sunset remains full of bright colors, so I'm using all the bright colors like pink, red, blue, violet and yellow. The first step you have to do just adding the basic layers. I'm making the clouds and as you can see they are all different colors. The color of sky is totally depends on the environment, so if you draw from a photographs, so it will be different all the time. Now this is the most important moment of a soft pastel drawing because I am blending the layers by my fingers, so your hand works like a blender. So it's totally depends on you how you blend it. So take your time and do it carefully. Now I'm making the reflection of sky on the river and adding some trees and hills by black and making some trees by black. I'm using a very cheap quality soft pastel and a normal chart paper, so you can use it any kind of brand, so that's your own choice. So I have almost finished and this is the final drawing. I hope this video will be helpful to you. And these are some of my previous work of color pencil and portraits. So if you guys are interested, then you can check it out. I have given the link on the description down below. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I really appreciate it and I'll see you next week. So bye.